Hello, my name is Kai. I'm the founder of Swarms, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a multimodal agent in less than 3 minutes. So very simple, step by step. Basically, you pip install Swarms first. You'd also do UV pip install Swarms. I'll add the installation guide in the comments. Then you could do, you put your keys. So here we're going to use Anthropic. So you just put Anthropic there and you get your key. And yeah, now you're ready to start building some agents. So here we're going to import from Swarms, import agents. This is the main quintessential agent structure. Here we're going to import a prompt about quality control. And here we're going to define the image. It's just image.jpg. And here we have our agent. So within the agent, we can give it a whole vast array of parameters. You can give it a name, model name, tools, MCP servers, basically a whole bunch of stuff. Here we're giving it a name, description, model name. We're giving it a system prompt of this. It's multi-modal is a custom prompt that we add on. We choose the number of loops. The loops is how it basically reasons internally. Output type is all string except the first, which means that masks out the prompt. We could also add this cool feature called dynamic temperature, which basically changes the temperature on every loop. And so this is the image that we're going to be analyzing. It's a factory oil refinery of some kind. And all you have to do is just press run and it'll start running. We got a warning there. It is supported. Gotta fix that. But yeah, that's not to worry. So the agent's running right now. If you want to see a stream token by token, you could do stream like this, and yeah. And here we got the response. So the image shows an industrial factory complex at sunset or dawn. There are numerous tall smokestacks and distillation towers visible, suggesting this is likely an oil refinery or chemical processing plant. The sky has a reddish-orange glow, indicating that the sun is low on horizon. The factory appears well maintained and operational, with lights visible on the towers and buildings. Smoke or steam can be seen from emitting some of the smokestacks. This overall scene conveys a sense of the scales and complexity of modern industrial operations. From a quality control perspective, the fact that the plant is operating at peak hours and emitting smoke suggests it's running on a 24/7 production cycle to meet demand. However, without being able to inspect equipment up close, it's difficult to assess the more granular elements of quality like potential defects. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can customize this, as you wish. You can give it a name prompt. You could add additional forms of prompting. You could change the quality control prompt. You can make your own prompt. And yeah, that was a simple demo on how to build a multi-modal agent. And just to reiterate again, all you have to do is just for the agent, once you initialize it, you just do .run task, create a comprehensive report on the factory image and its status, and then you can give it an image. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our documentation and our GitHub. If you have any issues, please let us know. Join the GitHub issues or join our Discord. You can join our Discord by going to this link here on our GitHub. And yeah, let us know if you have any issues or you need technical support or anything. We're here to help you in as best as we can. So thank you for your time and have a good day.